Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a goodie for you today. If you have some vodka laying around your house and you have some sticky, ooey, gooey stuff in your carpet, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to get the job done. Just for frame of reference, we're here today at my friend Chelsea's house, and she said, Andrea, can you get this out of my carpet? And I said, you bet I can. But you see this putty right here? This sensory putty scoop berry. This has been stuck in here for years. Look at this one right here. This is like matted carpet to the max. You're just going to need a couple things here today. First thing, get yourself some Goo Gone if you have it. I love this. There are alternatives to this. I'll share those with you at the end of this video. If you don't have Goo Gone on hand, that works just as well. So what you want to do is you just want to spray the carpet fibers like this. Do your best to not soak it and saturate it so it doesn't penetrate into the carpet pad. Keep it in the fibers as best as possible. Now I'm gonna let this sit here between 5 and 10 minutes, and then I will show you the next step, and then we will get to this right here. That's been sitting about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm a very impatient person, so if you are like me, give this video a thumbs up. The next thing that you want to do is take a old cleaning toothbrush. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, or when you go to the dentist, you know, and they give you a bunch of toothbrushes and they just collect dust in your drawer. You're gonna want to use it for this. Or even better is a little fork. And you just want to work through the carpet fibers just like this, like you're combing and fluffing your carpet. This also works amazing if you have furniture that's leaving imprints in your carpet and you need to fluff it up. You can heat the carpet up with a hair dryer and just go in with a fork, and you get rid of those carpet dents as well. More than you bargained for, I know. Okay, look around here. This is this really tough one. Like, it is stuck in there like goose. I'm just gonna go in with my fork and see if I can lift some of these up like so. I'm going my toothbrush. And then the last and final step here, you should be wearing gloves with this. Don't do what I'm doing right here. Just kind of tease some of those out without destroying your carpet. The Goo Gone is amazing because it helps lift the goo. This has worked on almost any sticky residue that I've had, not just carpet. Works on other furniture, it works on clothing. You can see that it's starting to come up nicely after years and years of stuck right in there. That one I'm gonna have to work a little bit more. Let's go over to this one right here one last time. You can see our dent is starting to come up. All right, the last thing that you want to do is go ahead and take your vodka if you have this laying around, or you can just go ahead and get yourself some rubbing alcohol. I have here in this spray bottle, and you want to spray the top of the carpet. And why do you do this? It helps kill the bacteria in the carpet, which causes smells. It helps it dry faster. And alcohol is also great at removing any sort of sticker residue. I think vodka is way more fun than plain straight up rubbing alcohol, but the choice is yours and what you have on hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a good comb, let it sit just a little bit longer, and I'll show you the end result. All right, this is looking much better. This was a super, super tough one. So this one's probably gonna require a couple more treatments. For this one, I would do the straight up vodka or alcohol, and again, nice combing through the carpet right here. I did end up using the blow dryer here because I wanted to loosen some of the sticky goo up. It's colorless, so it's hard to see what was really stuck in the fibers. It was like a clearish, pinkish color right here, but that is looking so much better. This one right here, I am so impressed with. Now, if you are looking for some WD-40 hacks, that works amazing on something like this as well, or cooking spray, click this video on screen now, give the video a thumbs up, sign up for the free weekly newsletter in that description box below, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.